Hi, it's Frank from Canadian Tropicals. And oh no, I don't like doing propagation videos, but this is one I've wanted to do for quite a while because it dispels a myth. And that's got to do with the fact that people seem to think you can't grow pineapples from seed. So everybody has seen, everybody has access to videos where you take the top, you twist it off, you put it in a cup of water, you put it in dirt, you put it in your sock drawer, you hide it in the corner of your house, whatever you do with it, and this will grow roots. And they say, oh yeah, you can clone the pineapple and yada yada. Yes, this roots quite easily, but that's the part we're not interested in today. For the seeds, pineapples are actually a cluster of berries. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to peel your pineapple. You need a ripe pineapple for this to work. Peel the pineapple whatever way works for you. There will be people out there telling you, oh, you're peeling your pineapple wrong. It's a pineapple, people. There is no right or wrong way. It's the way that works for you. Once you've peeled your pineapple, what you're interested in are the little seeds right there. Because what's happened is these are all little berries that have fused together. So, and each one, if they're pollinated, will contain a seed. If they're not pollinated, there's no seeds. But there seems to be people out there who think that pineapples contain no seeds, and that is just simply not true. So I just take a wet paper towel, I pick up my seeds, you'll find some there, you'll find some in the peel that you cut off. It's just important to note they'll be near the outer edge. And these are fresh seeds, so they will germinate quickly. So you can see we're getting quite a few seeds, and there's more seeds, but I think this more than proves the demonstration. So just damp paper towel, throw the seeds in, seal your container or baggie, whatever method you prefer. Put that someplace warm for a few weeks, and we'll come back and we'll take a look at it. Now, I've wanted to do this video for a while because, yes, everybody's off on the method of cloning, but I think I like to grow plants from seeds because I like genetic diversity. You plant these seeds, and you can end up with a plant that's identical to the one that you had, or the fruit that's identical to the one that you had. You can end up with a completely different fruit. Popular in the stores now are the little ornamental pineapples or the little red pineapples. Those all came from people growing by seed. So you never know what you're going to get. You may get something good, you may not, but for me, that's just part of the experience, is what will that genetic diversity give me? So,
Kept warm and moist. After a few weeks, you will start to have little baby pineapple plants, which are quite tiny, as you can see by the comparison of my fingertip. But viable plants nonetheless. And each one of those will be genetically distinct from the pineapple you get from your grocery store. So, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment. And if you're in Canada, check out my store on Etsy. The link is in the description.